Hello everyone, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper on Monday, May the 11th. This fifth puzzle is a binary puzzle. Let's see what kind of binary puzzle this is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. So that means 4 ones or four O's in a row or in a column. So let's get started. All right, we have here a double one, here an O, there an O, a double O, here an one, there an one, a double one, here an O, there an O, a double O, here an one, there an one. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here and one, there one, double one, here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. Between 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double one, here an O, there an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Then we have double O, here and one, there and one. Double O, here and one, there and one. Double one, here and O, there and O. And then I cannot continue. I think yes, I need more. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Then here I cannot continue, here cannot continue, here also. So I need to compare now. Let me see. We have 5 completed columns. Do I have a column to compare? No. I think rather the rows I need to compare. 100. Do we have 100? Double one. Yes. This row and that row. Empty box. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box. So I need to switch those two numbers. This is a 1, so this should be an O. This is an O, this should be a 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and one, there and one. Between two O's comes an 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Between two ones comes an O. Now I have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. All right. Do you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku of today, Tectonic. See you, bye bye.